Jai Sriman O Guha, do you know who is Rama? Devasuras, all the devatas, asuras at once, even if they attack my Rama at once without even giving any notice. Yet, Yona Devasuraihi, Sarvaihi, Sekyaha, Prasahitum Yudhi. They cannot stand in front of my Rama. They will have to run away from my Rama. To that extent, my Rama is very strong and great warrior, great soldier, great valor my Rama has, Guha. Such Rama is now sleeping on the bare floor along with Sitamma. I am unable to take it, Guha. O Guha, my father has done so many fastings. Out of all that many fastings, the result is my Rama. My father has done so many tapasyas. Out of all those tapasyas, the benefit is my Gunabhirama Sri Ramachandra Swami. O Guha, my father has done so many yajnas. Out of all those yajnas, the fruit is my Ramachandra Swami. O Guha, my father has done so much of dhanam, generous donations. Out of all that generosity, the fruit that he got is this Rama. Such Rama is now sleeping on bare floor with Sitamma. O Guha, I am unable to take it, Guha. I am sure after sending Rama here, my father must be going through severe pain. I don't think he would be alive anymore, Guha. So also Kausalyamma, Sumitramma would not be able to be alive anymore, Guha. If at all my mother Sumitramma keeps herself alive only because Shatrughna is there, she may be able to be alive, but Kausalyamma, I don't think she would be alive, Guha. Oh Guha, everything is just crossed our hands. Atikrantam. Total everything turned out upside down, Guha. Like this, Lakshmana shared all his pain to me. Guha is now saying to Bharata, Guha, while sharing about Lakshmana's devotion towards Rama, Guha is sharing all that to Bharata and trying to console Bharata. Guha is now giving all the details to Bharata about Rama and Lakshmana, saying that, oh Bharata, Lakshmana was telling me all these things, saying that, oh Guha, if my father dies, only Bharata and Shatrughna are available to do final rites to my father. How fortune Bharata and Shatrughna to do that, Guha. O Guha, my Ayodhya kingdom is beautiful kingdom. Only those who have enough fortune, they will be able to live in Ayodhya. O Guha, my Ayodhya has wonderful, beautiful, such a wide roads. Only those who have enough fortune, they will be able to live in Ayodhya. O Guha, my Ayodhya has beautiful buildings and beautiful divine temples. Those who have enough fortune, only they will be able to live in Ayodhya. O Guha, my Ayodhya is always decorated and always there will be so many elephants, chariots and horses will be going here and there. Such wonderful Ayodhya. Only those who have enough fortune, they will be able to live in Ayodhya. O Guha, my Ayodhya is always sacred, always auspicious. Everywhere we get to hear Mangalavadya's auspicious sounds. All over the places there will be beautiful parks. Such great Ayodhya, only those who have enough fortune, they will be able to live in Ayodhya, Guha. O Guha, there always will be some kind of celebrations, divine celebrations, always will be going on and people will be enjoying such great Ayodhya. Only those who have enough fortune, they will be able to live in Ayodhya. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.